Bhagyashree.
I am Sanjay.
We are studying in 9th standard.
We are from GHS Nada.
So, today we came with project called Joystick Control Game using dot matrix display with the help of Arduino Uno code.
Here we are using Arduino Uno for controlling joystick model. Dot matrix display for output.
It is used for entertainment purpose. It is used for gaming, and in future we can use for other projects.
Thank you.